Sampath?
Yeah, wait, 23.
Recording. May allow me to record. So there is an option for that.
Record is started.
You started recording.
No, yours recording is started.
Who started?
Vinay, recording is there.
Okay.
Symbol of recording is shown.
Okay then. Okay, right. Okay, good evening and sorry for the trouble. So there is a problem with my side and as well as there is a problem with the tool as well. So today we are going to learn how to create your own website using a Google Sites. So why the Google Sites are like this. So generally where we can go. So if you click this link, it will be like this: sites.google.com/new. Search it in the Google. Please, Sampath, mute everyone.
Hello? Vinay, unmute. Hello?
Hello. Okay, fine.
Vinay.
Okay, fine. I did it. So this can be used for the teachers as well as for the students, and the teachers can build their own portfolios. They can share their work, whatever they are doing in the classroom, whatever they are doing for the professional development. Everything can be posted in their website, and they can share with their friends and the colleagues, and even with the administrative people. Class events also you can create in your site, and announcements, homeworks and assignments like that. So like the teacher and the students can also create their own portfolios, what they are doing, how they are working. They can share their work, and they can collaboratively work. So one site can be created and all the students can be part of that site, so that they can work together and they can build the site on their own. So everything they can post it there, and they can share with other school children and even with other teachers also. So this is helpful for them to build their knowledge. How this is going to help? So the question is how to create this site again. So the components of the creating site includes all these things: creating, adding name, selecting the layout, background image, header, and reorder, nesting the pages, set up the navigations, update your personal, adding content, edit text, edit section, edit images, adding banner, and adding logo. So now let us go to the Google site itself and we can see how the things are there. So look at the site is like this. So click the plus symbol here. So now add the title. So I am adding my name here, Vinayadhar Raju. So this is my personal website now. So I want to add a page title. So this is my home page. So I want to make it center. So this is my home page. I want to add a header type also. Header type will be like this banner with the text. So I can use both. So we can upload our image. So this is my, so select this and upload, select image from the drive, and you can add your own image there as a header. not getting here. The reason is that this is not my account. Okay, you can select image and you can add. Suppose you want to add a pages to your website. Click here. So this is already home page is there. Next, what I want about. So this page talks about me. And next one. Next, what I want know. What else we can create? My certificates. So whatever our online course certificates, that you can keep it here. Next, you can create your YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. Suppose I want to keep this page under this. So what I have to do now, just to drop this. So it will be like this, home. Under home, there is another tab that is about. So like that, you can nest your pages into one page into another place. So I want to create one more page about our school, my school. So this is my school. So this is not nested one. I want it separate one. Okay. Okay. So under this, I want to create one more. So class 10. So this class 10 I want to bring under my home like this. Okay. So class 10 is under school. So if you click the school, you will find the class 10 page. So like that, class 9 added. So I want to keep this class 1 under my school. So if you click the class 10 and again there is a 9 in that. So like that you can nest your pages. So after adding your first page, you go to your certificates page. Okay. So header type is again like this. No, not large one. This is smaller one. I want to keep this like this one. And you can select the themes also. I want to use this. This theme here appears. Okay. This is fine now. Okay. Even for my school, my home. So everything, the theme has changed again. So this is my YouTube channel. So after creating my YouTube channel, I have to add some insert. So what generally we insert here? We insert the videos, am I right? Embedded code. So go to YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. So we have to paste the URL here. It's taking time. Your videos. We came to so ELTA webinars. So this is the link. Just copy this. Okay. Go to here and paste here. So now your video will be like this. So here the layout also you can change. Suppose one video, some text, two videos together, four videos together, one video, text, video and text, like that. So this is the default I have selected, video and the text like this. So here you can insert anything. You can upload image from them. You can upload a file from your drive. You can add a calendar, map or a photo like that. So this is how we can add the content to your page. Suppose you are going back to your certificates column. So generally what we can add here. So in the certificates column, we can add image and the description of that. So we can get that certificate from our drive again. So, so I have changed the system, so that causes the problem. So anything you can select from your class and you can insert here. If it is a certificate, you will get it here. So this is not my drive. This is my son's drive. So that's why I'm not able to get that one. Okay. Come back. Suppose you don't want that, and what you have to do now, you can remove that also. So these are the options. You can remove this section. So section is deleted. If you want to add again, you can go this, you will get that. If you get this, you will get this. So 3 options, 2 options, 4 options, like that. So by clicking, you can insert anything. You can insert image, you can insert your YouTube, you can insert your map, like that. So everything is possible here. Next, go to pages. Suppose let us go to home. So here I want to insert a image. So because I am belong to Telangana, I want to insert a map from the book. So I live in Karimnagar. Karimnagar, Telangana. So this is Karimnagar. So I want to insert this map here in this. So this is the map. So like that, you can add anything. So you can create as many pages as you want. So you can check also how your website looks like this. So if you click on this, it will be like this. So your home page is with your place, Karimnagar. So if you go to your school, so this is your class 10 page. This is your certificates page. This is your YouTube channels page. So like this. So the videos can be played here itself. They won't leave the website. You can watch the videos there itself. Okay, like this. So you can check it your mobile view also. It is like this. It is tab. It is your desktop view. So like that, it will be adjusted to any mobile. Even if you create it in the, but only thing is that you cannot create your website using your mobile phone. So to create your mobile phone, definitely you need to have a laptop or the desktop. And next you can collaborate. That means your site can be shared with your friends, so that you and your friend together work with this. So this is already my son's email ID and this is my email ID. So now Shashank Raju and Vinayadhar Raju both together can work on this. So if I go to my mail ID also, I can find this. So both will have an access to this site so that I can add pages and I can remove the pages. And even Shashank can also add the pages and Shashank can also remove the pages like this. So this is how we can, then after doing all these things, after creating page, after adding content, so what you have to do now, you have to publish. So here it is asking for the name. So because I have taken, my name is too long, it is considered only Vinay, not the Vinay. So this is my web address now. So now I am going to, so this is https sites.google.com view plus Vinay. So this is my URL. So after publishing this, you can share that. These are different settings you can change or you can add like that. Publish site link. So copy now. So now I am posting this one in the chat box. You can open it and you can try it. So use this and paste them. So the website will be look like this. This is Vinayadhar. So you can add anything because I am already logged in. So I can have an option to edit. But as a others viewers, they don't have this option to view. So I can edit this one because I am the creator of this website. So I can have an option to edit that. So these are the different options available in it. So under settings, you can add navigation at the top or at the bottom. Sidebar. Sidebar means it will come like this here. It has changed. Look at here. If it is at the top, it will
Vinay?
This I created, no? So here the things are already organized well. It has taken 2 or 3 days time like that. So this is ELTA's homepage. So ELTA Telangana English Language Teachers Association. And this is the Facebook group link. If you click that, you will land it there in the Facebook group. So like that, these things are added. Next to go to the second page, ELTA webinars. So all ELTA webinars are organized here. So I kept all the images only. So these images, and here we can write the description about this webinar and other things. So far I didn't completed that one, but only I added the flyers of all the webinars that we have created. Okay. Next to go to online test that we are creating for the class 6, class 10 students. No. So this is the page for the. So here I embedded the video from the attitude first unit. So the students can watch the video here itself, and after that they can click the link and they can take a test. So like that every unit. This is for second unit and the third unit, fourth unit, fifth unit, 16. So like that we can organize. So after that you can click here. So you will get one more. So we can add video here and we can add a click. So unit again. Unit 5. So what is the theme? I don't remember that. Then if you want to create a link, you have to click this. So here I can bring the our online courses test link and I paste here so that the test link will be appear here so that the students can click the link and they can take a test like that. So if you want to add again, it will be like this. Here unit 6. So unit 7. So like that we can clear, we can add image or we can add video, anything we can add. So from YouTube, from our drive, or upload from your computer, calendar, map, like anything you can paste here. So after adding these things, so you have to publish it every time. So it will give you the view. How is it before publishing and how it is after publishing like that. So it is. So currently it is like this and draft is like this. So you can compare. Then if you are satisfied and click on the publish button. So it is like this. So what are the changes that we have made now? So here only 5. Here it is 8 units. So it is updated. So then you click on the publish. So this will be replaced with this. So like this, 7, 8, 9 units. So day by day we can add image, or we can add a link like that, and we can create the clip. So how it looks like, then you have to preview. If you preview this, it will be like this. So in a desktop, it is like this. Unit 1. So if you click this, you will find the online test for unit 1. So this is the unit test. So the students can write, they can type, and they can complete the test like this. So this link will be open up like that. So if you click this, you will get the unit 3 link. If you click this, you will get the unit 2 link. If you want to watch the video, you can click this and you can watch the video here itself. If you don't find the videos related to that particular subject, we just keep image of that particular lesson. That is enough. So we can watch the video here itself. So network is too slow. So I'm sorry about that. So I cannot play the video now. So this is another tab that I created for our all ELTA webinars, YouTube channels, ELTA YouTube channel. So these are all our webinars links I pasted here. So if we, so this is like this. So this is mobile view also. If you click this, it will be like this in a mobile view. It will be like this, one at a time like that. If it is system, okay, it is tab. In a tab, it is like this. So this is preview we are watching now. So if you enter that, you are coming to an editor mode again, editing mode. So suppose if you want to add some more, select pattern. So here two videos at a time. So I am selecting again. So this one, you can add, you can get the YouTube link and you can paste it here, so that you will add every day our YouTube videos every day. Like suppose if you don't want to this, and you can remove this, it was gone like that. So embedding is also one more option, but it is not going to work well. Drive, you can take the files from your drive also. You can insert all the material. Suppose ELTA has already prepared the material like a IPAS 1 and IPAS 2 and IPAS 3. So you can get the link from the drive and you can put it here, the link. So if somebody came and clicks that link, so they will be landed into that IPAS books. They can access to that. So this is how we can create our own website. Sorry, again, my network is slow today. That's why I couldn't open all these things. Okay, so look at here how I added this one.
Vinay, good evening.
Just a minute.
Now only 3 minutes.
Only 3 minutes. Okay.
If anybody wants to.
Okay, that's it. So don't forget to publish. Publishing is important. And suppose if you want to unpublish, you can use this. You can't publish only with the published site. You can view the changes and publish. So these are different settings available to you for publish. So this site is published only, view with the link only. It is not open to all. You don't find it in the Google search. That's why I shared only the link in our WhatsApp groups. The person who are having that link only access that. So after updating the entire pages and completing that, and we can open it to the public. Okay, thank you.
Vinay, someone is asking whether it is a free version or the paid version.
It's a free only. Hello? Free.
Others, please raise your hands and ask.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Vinay sir.
Cheppandi. Hello.
So what is the difference between this .org, .com and ours? And do we have any
so
differences?
this site is now presently hosting on the Google sites. So it is not independent domain. So if you want only eltad.telangana.org, removing these Google sites, so then we have to pay the $10 to them. So then they will remove the googlesites.com. It will become an independent domain, elta.telangana.com or Telangana org, Telangana edu, like that. We can choose whatever
my
we
question
want.
is, I got it. What is the what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages?
Disadvantages, advantages
Here
is
it is
that
free. That is advantage. Okay.
You have your
It is
independent
advantage is
identity.
free.
You have an independent identity. It is an independent site for you. It is visible to the most most searches in the Google engine. But thing is that it is okay for us, but the URL always is the bigger one. If you become buy an independent domain, your URL will become very small. So like eltatelangana.org. Otherwise, you have to write the Google sites .in/view/ Telangana
Can't we shorten
in like that.
Can't we shorten it?
You
Can't
can
we
shorten
shorten
it, but it is not popular. You want to make your brand, no? So you will shorten, but you will get something else like that, not Telangana like that. You will get some EASH like that, 3 or 4 letters and numbers combination like that. So that is not going to work. So because you want to create your own brand, so you must have your independent website without depending on someone else like that. So okay, if you develop everything fine, then we can take that. It is 1,000 rupees per year, so it is not a big amount also.
Anyway, it is quite useful, and anybody can create one's own.
Yeah, that's it. The thing is, the teacher can create, no? Teacher can create his own website and he can share his